Hey guys, it's Serena Adriana. I'm going to show you guys how to contour and highlight with our Starlit Honeymoon palettes. To contour, I like to go in with my E5 brush and it looks like this, as well as my Morphe E50 and it looks like this. And this one I really like to use just to get in really precisely with the contouring. To start off, I'm going to go in with my highlight palette and I'm going to go in with the shade Marilyn and it looks like this, and highlight the cheekbones first, the nose, chin, and then a little bit above my eyebrow. To intensify the highlight, I like to go in with my Slay All Day setting spray. This is in the scent Watermelon. So just spray this against your brush. So grab your highlight again and then apply it on the cheekbones or on the areas that you want to intensify. Now I'm going to go in with my bronzer palette and I'm going to try Forever Bronzer, which is the lightest shade in the palette. With the darkest color of the palette, I'm just going to use that to blend into the hairline and give it a more natural look. With a dense brush, you just want to go in and buff out any harsh lines so it looks more natural. And I really like to go in with both in circular motion so I can mix in the highlight and the contouring at the same time. Thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and like this video if you have not. Hope you guys like this mini tutorial. Thank you guys so much.